Hey Jay.
Hi Lucy.
Today we're looking at how to contrast.
Alright, well, who are we contrasting?
Well, I thought we could compare you and a very special guest, Matt.
Yay!
Hello.
Hi. So, right, now obviously you two have a lot in common, but you're also very different.
So I'm from the UK, whereas Jay is from Australia.
And while I love a good steak, Matt's a vegetarian.
Well done, guys. Great use of linking words for contrast.
Huh?
Let me show you. You can compare two clauses using the linking words while, whilst, and whereas. You can put them in the middle after a comma, or with while and whilst, you can even put them at the beginning. So, for example, Matt said, I'm from the UK, whereas while or whilst, Jay is from Australia.
Just remind me, Lucy, what's a clause again?
That's a subject plus a verb.
Now hold on a second. Is there a difference between while and whilst?
That's a great question. Well, whilst is a bit old-fashioned and it's not used as much anymore. Not as often as while, but the meaning is exactly the same.
Right, got it.
Okay, and we use these to contrast, which means what?
We're talking about the differences, not the similarities.
Okay, so what did we learn today?
We learned how to contrast using while, whilst, and whereas.
Hey Jay, why don't we go and get a mocha frappuccino?
Sounds good.
No, hey guys, we still have to learn some more grammar.
Yeah, Matt, let's go. We like to have fun while Lucy clearly doesn't. Hello there! Hey, if you enjoyed that, you'll enjoy lots more at e2school.com. Check out the website, and also if you haven't yet done it, hit the subscribe button.